How to find someone's phone number from their TikTok account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to check if someone has shared their contact details on their TikTok profile. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the TikTok app, and once you have opened it, simply tap on the search icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And once you are in the search section, simply tap on the search bar and type in the username of the person that you are looking for. And once you find their profile, simply look for any contact details they might have shared. You can check their bio for their phone numbers, emails, or social media links. Now, if they have the contact button, simply tap on it and you will be prompted to the phone app where you can see their phone number. And if the phone number isn't listed, you can try checking the Instagram, Twitter, or other linked accounts where they may have shared their details. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.